In front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Now just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!